October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, as you well know. However, for women who are survivors, intimate health is often ignored. Dallas gynecologist and women's health expert Dr. Jessica Shepard and Lumisque skincare CEO Lana Kerr are here to talk about the latest treatments. Welcome. So nice to have you here this morning.
Thank you.
Important stuff for women.
Absolutely.
First of all, Dr. Shepard, breast cancer affects 1 in 8 women, I think it is. How can that affect the intimate life of a woman?
You know, often we don't even, encompass the intimacy portion of women who go through breast cancer, which is unfortunate. So as a gynecologist, I'm really dedicated, and my passion is to allow women to understand that as they go through breast cancer, there may be things such as decrease in libido, there may be decrease in confidence through going through all those surgeries and chemotherapy. So we often miss that portion of going through breast cancer, but it's so important that we highlight that.
It indeed is. So the question is, as a women's health expert, menopause expert, how do you help women who may be suffering from those effects?
Yeah, so when women come to me and they've either had breast cancer, or even menopausal women who have decrease in estrogen, that's a big part of menopause, is going through those changes, and how do you actually experience them and what things can help you. So my job is to provide options, right? And so I provide options as far as having things such as pelvic health rejuvenation and restoring the tissue in that area. We can use bioidentical hormones. Now for women who are going through menopause, those are great options. For women who've gone through breast cancer, not so great of an option with hormones.
Okay.
And also things such as PRP, which is injection with some of these plasma-rich platelets that we can revitalize the tissue in the pelvic area. And also our new product that we have here, which is a Carboxy gel treatment, which can be applied to the area, which can also help with restoring that tissue as well.
Okay, so Lana, I wanted to ask you about the Carboxy gel treatment. How does it help women who have had breast cancer or who are going through menopause?
Okay, well, the Carboxy gel, which the CO2LiftV really is the only proven carboxy gel on the market, really is a super hydrating treatment that delivers carbon dioxide to the skin. Now, this is a very natural way for the skin to promote oxygen, so when you put carbon dioxide in the skin, the body's forced to produce oxygen-rich blood that is going to help regenerate the tissue. And this is especially helpful for women in menopause or who are experiencing treatments for breast cancer, because one of the side effects is dryness in the pelvic area. And so therefore the CO2LiftV is very effective at combating that, and they can do this in the privacy of their home.
So why did you decide to include the pelvic health in your line of work, and how do customers like it so far?
Okay, so, well, first of all, I'll just step back to say that Carboxy treatments have been done for decades all over the world to treat various different conditions of the skin, to regenerate it. It's typically administered with a needle, which is very painful. It has downtime and in some cases complications. So to be able to provide a gel that's delivering carbon dioxide with no pain, no downtime, which is as effective, is so exciting to me. Now, as a woman in her late 40s with 2 children, I quickly recognize that we don't only age in our face, we age in our pelvic area, and that actually has issues that can really affect the quality of our lives. And there are very few options that are available for women. So to answer your question is to be able to have this solution that a woman can do in the privacy of her home, that is going to be safe, hormone-free, and effective at giving us back our confidence in that way, is very exciting. And customers all over are benefiting. And one I was talking to Dr. Shepard about was she just had a hysterectomy. She was afraid of breast cancer, so hormones were out of the question, and this came in at such a good time to give her back that confidence.
So Dr. Shepard, I know we have a lot of women viewers who are interested in this. What's the most important message you would share with women as a gynecologist?
Yeah, one of the things is I specifically cater to women that are in that stage of their life where they're going through some of these hormonal changes. So as a gynecologist here in Dallas, I really promote options, and women talking to their physician and their gynecologist about all the different options that are available, and knowing that there's no limitations, and knowing all of these treatments, whether it's taking something home or coming to the office and having that done, we can really provide so many options, specifically as a gynecologist, women's health expert, and also the emotional and sexual health portion. prevention of menopause and breast cancer. I want women to be empowered, especially during the month of October.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Women to women this
Yes.
morning. Thank you
Yes,
very
thank
much.
you.
Call Dr. Jessica Shepard at 469-800-9290 for more information. You can also call CO2LiftV at 954-880-3955 or simply go to CO2lift.com.